Hey guys, this is Kim Rose with the Just Between Friends sale. I'm so excited that you're planning to join us for one of our upcoming spring sales. I'm going to take a minute to show you what you need to do to sign up to sell with us. And there are 2 steps that you want to make sure you complete in order to be fully signed up to sell. The first step is that you want to log in to your Just Between Friends account. I'm already signed up for the Lancaster and Reading sales, as you can see in my account. I want to sign up for Oaks, otherwise known as Western Main Line. So here it is right here under the upcoming events. I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to click the button that I want to participate as a consigner. I'm going to tell JBF that I'm a returning consigner at this location and save that option. And then I'm going to come down here and agree to the terms and conditions and confirm that. All right, and the next thing that you want to do is jump over to the Oaks, Lancaster, or Reading websites, whichever one or all, if you're participating in all of our sales or just one or two. You're going to go to the Sell button and then come down to this button that says Drop Off, Pick Up, Waiver, Signups Open 1/20/22, which is tomorrow. So I'm going to click on that button, and you'll notice that this sign up looks completely different than what you're used to. This is not Sign Up Genius. It's a new program that we're trying out to make it more user-friendly for our consigners. So you're going to come down and you're going to fill out all of this information. I have it filled out here. I already have my own filled out. Okay. You're going to enter your credit card info and then click the Submit Registration button. And then what you'll see is a pop-up thanking you for registering and all of your sign-up detail below, including your drop-off time that you chose. If you're interested in changing your drop-off time, that is something that this program should allow you to do. Right down here at the bottom, you'll have to create an account to do that. I'm going to create a new video, a separate video to explain how that's done, because not everybody will have to reschedule their drop-off or pickup time. But that is something that you'll be able to do with this new software. So that's about it. 2 easy steps and you're done. And if you have any questions or have any questions about the new sign up or any other questions about the website or the sales, please don't hesitate to give Tracy a call, send her a text or email. And we're so super excited to start the spring sales, and we'll see you soon.